So now we'll start transaction number 5. From here we can just go accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, enter GL account document. This is the one here, which will get us to this screen. For document date, we'll find today's date. Posting date is good. The GL here will be 750,000. This will be debit. Amount is 10,000. And we have to scroll over to the correct cost center. A060, or sorry, scroll over to the cost center. Then here 100,000 credit, and the amount is also going to be 10,000. So here the account number we have is 750,000, debit for $10,000 into cost center A060. The next line, account number 100,000, credit 10,000, and we don't have to worry about a cost center in that second line. So we can click on enter and then simulate, and you should get the following screen. It should look the same, so current year, current date, and current month. If everything looks good, we can click on save and then exit. Do you want to continue exiting? Yes. So next we can go accounting, then controlling, cost center accounting, period and closing, single functions, allocations, then assessment, which will bring us to here. If you do get a pop-up window, just select your user number. Last time I did this, I had to just select my user number from a list. So once you get here, you can go extras. Actually, before that, make sure that period 1 to 12 is entered in the current year. Test run and detail lists are clicked. So extras, cycle, create. From here, the cycle should actually be 49 ASSM. Start date 01/01/2019, or the current year, and click on enter. Your number FS, your number ASSM, start date, end date is good. So in text, we'll type monthly assessments. Next, make sure that iterative is not clicked. So that should not be checked. Then you can click on attach segment. Segment name is utilities. And beside that, we'll type in assessment of utilities. Segment header, make sure we have 800,100 in this cell. Posted amounts, So that's all good. So we have number in there. Sender rule should be posted amounts, fixed percentages down in receiver rule. So in this area here, we'll click on fixed percentages. And then in the senders receivers tab, again, this will look a little bit different than the information that's on the printed sheet. There's an extra few lines, extra few columns or rows here. But following along from here, we'll go cost center is A060. The cost element, so not the functional area, but the cost element should be 750,000. And then the receiver cost center group. So this one here, cost center, receiver group, should be your number MFG. Then we can click on the receiver training factor tab. In here, we'll enter the following percentages. So the first one will be 85, second one 10, last one 5, so they should add up to 100. Then we click Save, and you should see a saved notification at the bottom, and then we can back out to the initial screen, so the execute actual assessment initial screen. Here, making sure that we have 1 to 12 in 2019. We have test run checked, detail list checked. Here we're going to type in our number, ASSM, start date. Whoops, you can't search for it. Start date, we'll type in 01/01/2019. Then we can click on execute. And that should bring us to this screen. So we have one sender, 3 receivers, 0 messages, and you can name this screenshot number 5 and upload this screenshot to the course website. And that is the end of the accounting exercise. You can back out and you're all done for accounting.